Changing the email link to your iCloud account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign into iCloud. Go to the iCloud website or open the iCloud app on your device. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the option that says Account Settings or Manage Account to proceed. Step 3. Edit your email address. In Account Settings, find the section for your email address. Click on the option to edit or change your email address. Enter the new email you wish to link to your iCloud account. Step 4. Verify your new email. After entering the new email address, you will receive a verification email at that address. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify the change. Step 5. Update your devices. Once your new email is verified, make sure to update your email address on all your devices. Go to the settings on each device and sign in with your new email to ensure everything is synced correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully change the email link to your iCloud account. If you encounter any issues, consult Apple support for further assistance.